If you're a Windows user, you've probably felt the frustration of a sluggish system at some point. Today, we're diving into WinToys, a tool that promises to optimize your Windows experience. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's find out. WinToys is designed to optimize your Windows system, improving performance and streamlining various tasks. At first glance, the interface is user-friendly, aiming to make it accessible for both tech-savvy users and those who aren't. It offers features like system cleanup, registry optimization, and startup management, which are essential for keeping your PC running smoothly. However, while the core functionality seems solid, there are areas that feel a bit vague. For instance, the specific algorithms it uses for optimization aren't fully disclosed, leaving some users wondering about the effectiveness of the tool. Additionally, the intended audience appears to be anyone looking to enhance their Windows experience, but the lack of advanced customization options might leave power users wanting more. Overall, while WinToys has a lot of potential, it doesn't seem to provide comprehensive information about how it achieves its results, which could be a red flag for some. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, WinToys is easy to use and can noticeably improve system performance for everyday tasks, making it great for casual users. The cleanup features can free up valuable space, and its intuitive design is a definite plus. However, there are downsides. Some users might find the lack of transparency concerning how optimizations are performed a bit concerning. Additionally, advanced users may feel limited by the basic features available, as there aren't many customization options. Pricing is also a factor. While it's not the most expensive tool out there, there are free alternatives that handle similar tasks without the cost. In summary, it might not suit everyone, especially those looking for more robust optimization tools. So, who should consider WinToys? If you're a casual Windows user looking for a simple way to enhance performance, it could be worth a try. However, if you're more advanced and need deeper customization or transparency, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it has its strengths, but it's not without its limitations.